so my oldest daughter, Amala, is a professional reader.
I don't even know how to spell hippopotamus.
Listen, we can't spell words around her because she'll know what we mean. She knows all the names of the songs that are playing in the car.
But sometimes I can't, sometimes I spell them and they don't even make any sense.
Yeah, but she's always gonna ask, what does that mean? What is that title? What is that spelling?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about you. Like, you read everything. You want to know what every single thing means. So that's why I think it's important for you to read other things so that you'll leave me alone. What we're going to be doing today is building a bookshelf so that they can have the books they like and I can have the books that I like too. That's what we're doing. Let's stop talking. Let's get started now. Don't cough on me. Don't. I don't want that. Something that's really important about working as a team is choosing different tasks, and my wife has decided to do the LOVESEAT reading sitting area, and I'm gonna do the bookshelf, the hardest thing to do. I lost the coin toss. Now, what is your hope for this reading area?
The message we're trying to send specifically from our parenting point of view is that knowledge can be healing, knowledge can be nurturing, it can be restorative, it could be rejuvenating. The message is deep, you know? Yeah.
Zebby, what do you think? Zebby, are you ignoring me? Yes, you are. All right, I got the tools, I got the book. This should be pretty easy, right? This is very clearly telling me to put this on a carpet or something, you know, to keep it from scratching while I assemble it. I'm learning to follow instructions. That's probably the biggest lesson of all. Just follow the instructions. Reading is fundamental. I don't have to be an expert in doing any of this if I can read. So here we go. Teamwork! All right, so we set this up in a way to where it can still look nice in a living area, it can still look adult, but the girls will have very easy access to the books that they love. They'll be able to take these right into the reading area, sit down and read. I need to flip these things around, man. Organization, yeah, let me get that right. I'll make it easy for them. This face on this one is so big that it needs space. I know they're gonna like it because reading is something they both love to do. The youngest one, it doesn't matter whether she can read or not, she loves to do it just like her big sister. More than just encouraging my girls to read books, as important as that is, I really want them to seek out knowledge, to ask questions, to learn, to grow. And like my wife Leah said, knowledge can be healing, restorative, and rejuvenating. Tell me what you thought about the bookshelf.
The bookshelf is very amazing. I want to keep it.
What are your favorite books to read?
I want to use that unicorn one.
The unicorn book that like has the mouth that moves around like this?
Yeah.
Why do you think it's important to read?
I don't think it's important to read.
You don't think it's important to read?
But if it
How would you learn anything though? If you couldn't read, how would you learn anything?
By reading.
Just leave. Go. Get out. Get out. You can head to Wayfair to start working on projects with your kids. Even if they're gassy and disgusting, you can still do incredible things with your nasty kids too.